Hey everyone, welcome back to Mark Loeffler Experience. We got a great show here for you today. We're going to walk you through some of the renos we're doing on our 15 unit at Edmonton. Also, I got a 23 unit under contract, going to run the numbers for you guys. And yeah, you guys let me know. You think I'm doing well in Alberta, or you think I'm going to fall flat on my face? I think there's some mixed opinions out there, but obviously, yep, YouTube, keyboard warriors, let me know. And I'm sure if you guys think I'm going to fall flat on my face, you'll be the first ones to comment down below. All right, so here it is. Obviously, we bring in investors to work on these deals with us. If you guys are interested in that, head over to my Instagram, send me a message, and we can have a chat. But yeah, here's the deal. It's a 23 unit building. Asking price was 2.27, almost 2.3 million. 5 bachelors, 12 ones, 6 2 bedrooms. It's in Queen Mary Park. It's a block away from our 15 unit. So yeah, we just got some information on investing in Alberta. If you guys want, if any of you guys want like this package and you guys want to use it, happy to do that. Just hit me up on Insta and I can send you this package, and then yeah, you can do whatever you like with it. My only condition is if you make it better, you have to send it back to me so then I can use the better version too. Again, we're going to come in, we're going to do new floors, new kitchens, new bathrooms, lights, in-suite laundry, dishwashers. We're going to remove walls. So everyone, here looking at a property in Edmonton, Alberta, Queen Mary Park. You can see this wall has to go. Make a nice open style kitchen. And then how can I forget this beautiful bathroom? We got Prairie Rose here, Dusty Rose, I think it is. So 2-bedroom unit. We got 4 vacancies in this property, which is beautiful for us. We'll have this turned around in no time at all. Again, not the biggest bedrooms, but I think my numbers will be pretty close to accurate. I mean, basically, this is what we're gonna do in this space. So pot lights. Open up the space, just clean, simple, nice, condo quality, marble countertops, stainless steel appliances. Here's our rent roll. We'll go through the numbers here in a second. So we bought this. We got this at 2162, which is $94,000 a door. It was asking just under 100,000. We got a little bit more off, about $5,000 more off. That's exactly it. Actually, they were asking 99 a door. We got it for 94. So we got 25% down payment. I'm gonna put in, because there's 23 units. It's costing us about $25,000 a unit to renovate. Plus, we have some common areas to do. And so you'll see the big number on financing costs. Well, there's a 3% acquisition fee in there. For our company, again, to provide for our costs. So, we have an administrator there. We have our flights out, whatever that is, it's covered by there. It's all in there. I just don't want to hide anything. So if you guys are interested in investing or if you're putting deals together, I always recommend having that acquisition fee, because I think you'd rather work with a full-time investor. And to be honest with you, doing these types of deals, this deal won't pay off for a year, 2 or 3. So if you don't have that up front, then you're going to scrape for that long. And I don't want my partners to scrape. I want them to be able to live, but I want them to be incentivized, obviously, to get this project to completion as well, right? So monthly rents right now are $19,065. $19,065. So they do have laundry right now. We'll estimate most people estimate $15 a month, but we'll just go $300 because the extra $45 isn't going to make that much of a difference for me. All right, so heating. So this property has brand new windows, and all the exterior doors have been done, and the walkouts, the balconies have all been done. So a lot of that work has already been done for us on this one, which I do like. This is a deconverted condo. So this was a condo building that's been deconverted. And usually on stuff like that, condos, I find, spend money sometimes when they don't need to. But I'm definitely happy to be able to say, hey, brand new windows, brand new doors, so that type of thing. And like the roof's in good condition, the exterior is in good condition, which obviously is a bonus. And so we have heating, we have property taxes, we have insurance. There's $8,000. I think I can get better than $8,000, but again, always like to overestimate. And then we do have an on-site super there that does some maintenance, does the grass, does the snow. So we'll probably keep them on, probably around that same rate, that $30 a month per suite. Time will tell, because we will have property management on here as well. So 3% vacancy. Right now, Edmonton vacancy is 8%. This building is full at the moment, which is good and bad, because I like them not full. But yeah. So anyways, at this time, this property cash flow is about $4,000 a month at a 6.3 cap. So you know what? It's a decent buy right off the beginning. If I just want to turn over some couple of units here and there, which I probably will at the beginning, then I'm still going to cash flow. I'm not going to be cash flow negative. Obviously, when I do these things, do my after repair value, I'm trying to, again, when I structure it the way I do, so 75% equity to Top Gun Investments, which is our company, 25% to the investor, and an 8% preferred return. Well, let's be honest, if I'm going to give somebody an 8% preferred return, I'm really giving them a second mortgage on this property. And I want to make sure that I can pay that 8% fully back and get all the money back as quickly as possible, because it's in my best interest. It's in the investor's best interest too, because once they have all their money back, they still hold a portion of the property and they have no money in it. It's in everybody's best interest that we get this done as quickly as possible and refinance. For the value, again, we're just going to do the net operating income, which is H91, and we're going to do a 5% cap rate. So divided by 0.05. Right now, it's worth negative $1 million. So we're not worry about any of this stuff. So in here, I've already put in the amounts. So the first mortgage was $1.6 million. Obviously, we got to pay that back when we refinance. The total investment is $1.15 million. So again, we have to pay that back. We do need an appraisal coming through the second time, so $2,500. The 8% hurdle rate, if this goes out 2 years, will be $184,000. And the legal costs for obviously refinancing that property, I put in around $4,000. So let's just go here and we'll go to gross rents. So we have 5 bachelor units, and as we can see right now, top bachelor unit is getting $870. So I'm gonna average 5 times $850. I think, again, I'm getting $870 for one right now, and they're not in that great a condition. I think that's pretty conservative. I don't know. You guys tell me if I'm wrong. So 1 bedroom units, I'm getting $1,000 and $1,075 for a couple of these units at the moment. I'm going to say $1,150 times. And for the 2 bedrooms, I'm probably thinking about $1,450. Again, might be a little light, but I think overall $26,750 is a good number for 23 units. It's just a bit over $1,100 a month average. So I think we can get it there. I think the heating and utility costs are going to stay pretty level. I will probably bring down the utility costs as when we renovate. We put lower flow toilets in. We put LED lights in the hallways, so we will make it brighter and better there too. And we just make things more efficient when we do renovate. But then we do have laundry and we will have dishwashers. So I think it's a bit of a toss-up. Insurance is going to stay the same. Obviously, property management is a percent, so is repairs and maintenance. And then we have the on-site super. So at a 5 cap rate, that gets us $4.2 million on a refinance. And if you notice, I think I went more conservative on my numbers. Yeah, definitely did. So I had annual income. So if you guys pick up this sheet, then you'll see it's 304,000. So I'm very conservative when I do my numbers. I honestly just want to make sure I can pay everyone back and still hold the building. My motto is under promise, over deliver. So I want to do it faster and get more than what I put out there into the general public. Well, not general public. You guys are all my friends and family. All right, so we're not going to have laundry anymore. 2.5% interest rate on a refinance. We'll probably get a little bit better, but again, the important thing is it's going to be worth 4.2 million, 4.25. That pays out everybody. And then we have $234,000 left over as well. I don't know. I think that's, to me, this sounds like a really good deal when we can make this happen. Anyways, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks, everybody. See you in the next one.